Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and good. So, today I am going to discuss from your English book, First Flight, Chapter 7, Glimpse of India, Part 2, Kurk, written by Lokesh Abrol. Today I will discuss two paragraphs from this chapter, Kurk. So, Kurk is the name of a hill station in Karnataka, and it is mentioned here. Kurk is coffee country famous for its rainforests and spices. So like Assam is famous for tea, Kurk is called coffee country. Why? Because Kurk is famous for coffee plantations and 40% of coffee of the country is produced in Kurk. Also, it is famous for rainforests and spices. Rainforest is an area of tall, mostly evergreen trees and a high amount of rainfall, and also famous for spices. Various spices like cardamom, clove, mint, black pepper, bay leaf, cumin, etc. are found in Kurk. So now let's start. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. So here the author Lokesh Abrol, firstly he is talking about the location of Kurk. It is located midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. A piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. So here the meaning of drifted from is being carried along gently by air. The author is calling Kurk as a piece of heaven because it is very beautiful place. Kurk is so beautiful place as it look like a piece of heaven which come away from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. So, the author says that this land has lots of hills, and he is calling it as a land of rolling hills, which is occupied by a proud race of martial men. Martial here means having to do with war or related to fighting or war. So Kurk had a martial blood, and it is also occupied by beautiful women and wild creatures, different wild creatures and beautiful women. Kurk or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforests, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforests cover 30% of this district. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. So, Kurk or Kodagu is the smallest district of Karnataka, and it is also has evergreen rainforests that remain green throughout the year with lots of wildlife and vegetation. Spices and coffee plantations are also found. So Kurk is famous for its spices and coffee plantation. Evergreen forests cover 30% of this district, so this forest is very important in Kurk. Evergreen rainforest is very important in Kurk because the 30% of land is covered by evergreen rainforests. The season of and During rainy seasons, it rains heavily. The visitors cannot go to this place because of rain. The seasons of joy commence. Joy means happy. It starts from September and it continues till March. So the month from September to March is the best time to visit Kurk because during these months there are no rains and the weather is quite good. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measure. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. The weather is perfect, that is from September to March, and there might be some rain also. So we can always smell coffee because it's well known for coffee plantation. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. That means most of the prime corners in Cork is occupied by coffee estates and colonial bungalows that stand under tree canopies. So canopies here means roof-like covering that form shelters, or we can say an umbrella-like structure. So both coffee estates and colonial bungalows. Colonial bungalows, that means old bungalows, and we can say they are all the residential units of colonial members. They stand under the canopies, tree canopies in most of the important corners or prime. Prime here, best corners in Cork. So hope you have understood from these two paragraphs, and now write some of a few short questions and answers. Very short answer question. Question number 1. Where is Cork? Where is Cork situated? So the answer is very short answer question. Number 1. Where is Cork situated? Cork is situated in the midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. So here the first question, where is Cork situated? The answer is Cork is situated in the midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Next question. Which is the smallest district in Karnataka? Which is the smallest district in Karnataka? And the answer is Coorg or Kodagu. Kurk or Kodagu. Kurk or Kodagu is the smallest district in Karnataka. Karnataka. This pen is not. So the answer is Kurk or Kodagu is the smallest district in Karnataka. The next question, number 3. Which crops grow in Kurk plenty? Which crops grow in Kurk in plenty? Coffee and spices grow in Kurk in plenty. Which crops grow in Kurk in plenty? Coffee or spices grow in Kurk in plenty. Question number 4. What is the best time of the year to visit Kurk? The answer is the best time of the year to visit Kurk is between September and March. So here are some questions. So very short question and answers. So question number 1, where is Kurk situated? Where is Kurk situated? Kurk is situated in the midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Question number 2. Which is the smallest district in Karnataka? Kurk or Kodagu is the smallest district in Karnataka. Question number 3. Which crops grow in Kurk in plenty? Answer: coffee and spices grow in Kurk in plenty. Question number 4. What is the best time of the year to visit Kurk? The best time of the year to visit Kurk is between September and March. So now I will give 2 short questions as your homework. Question number 1. Why Kurk is called coffee country? Question number 2. Which forest is important? Question number 2. How many percent the land is covered by evergreen rain forests in Coorg?